and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of our November 2019 Glam Bag Plus box by Ipsy. If this sounds like a video for you, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so I am able to unbox this because of our wonderful Patreon squad. If you guys are interested in becoming part of our Patreon family, definitely make sure to check my description box down below for a link so you guys can become a Patreon. But they get first dibs on this unboxing, so my Patreon family has already seen this. This is a monthly subscription and I take the donations from our Patreons. I purchased this, I unbox it for them, and now you guys are getting a peek inside of what's in this box. Like I said, this is a monthly subscription. It is $25 plus tax, and we do get like 5 full-size products. We are able to do what's called the add-on program with Ipsy, whether that be with the plus box or the little mini bag. Don't worry guys, I know you guys are used to seeing my oldest daughter and I unbox this together. We definitely will be coming back and doing an Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus edition, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. I'll show you guys first what I picked up as add-ons to this subscription box, and then we'll go ahead and get into everything in here. The house is completely full, so if your girl's completely off, you guys know why. Okay, so first for $3 for an add-on, I did get my favorite Cabana Sol de Janeiro Cabana lotion. Now this is the new scent. It is a nice little tiny size, good for your purse or what have you. But it was $3, and if you guys know me, you've been with me for a while, you know the Sol de Janeiro Cabana is absolutely my favorite, and I was a little salty for a bit when they changed the scent and the formula and everything. I'm over it. I'm enjoying this, so I picked it up for the $3. Next, I did add on for $12 the ColourPop Through My Eyes I Love Sarah He, I think, times ColourPop, and this is, like I said, Through My Eyes, and I actually did go ahead and put this palette on today. There's just ColourPop eyeshadow formula is just wonderful. It's crazy affordable. This palette I believe was like a retail of $24 or $28, but because Ipsy had the add-ons, I was able to add it on for only $12, so I jumped on it. Last add-on that I did, I don't know, is there a limit to how many add-ons you guys can do? I'm not for sure, but I think this was $3, and I actually have this on today, and I chose this highlighter by Wonder Beauty because I feel like Wonder Beauty is geared towards more of the mature audience out there, and it gives like a nice, fresh, natural skin-like look without like accentuating your texture, your fine lines, or anything. So I was really hopeful with this particular highlighter. This is called the Wondrous Glow After Hours. You guys, like I said, I have this on today. It is like this beautiful melt into your skin highlight without like accentuating your crow's feet, your texture, anything. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I already know this is going to be one of my go-to highlighters that I'm probably going to have to take away from myself because that's what I do. Okay, we're finally going to go ahead and jump into what is in our box for November. Now, as always, we always get a card, and it has a theme. And the theme is Wild Side. It gives you a little bit of information in here, as well as on the inside, information about how much each product retail value is and a little bit about the product. Now, I will tell you guys on the back, it does have some information as well. If you guys want to take a screenshot, it talks about add-ons, it talks about the Black Friday sale, as well as a Cyber Monday sale. Okay, so a little bit about this particular product. It says it's a hydrator and a primer. It moisturizes and smooths the skin in one simple step, and it does retail for $45. Like I said, this is a full-size product. I'm not going to open it up only because I already have my Juno & Co. Miracle Cream open. The next item, which again, we'll just get the things that Rhonda can't say out of the way first, and that is this mascara by Treseek. I don't know. I was talking about this with my patrons. I want to say we received this mascara. Was it in a Boxycharm or a FabFitFun? I'm not going to actually open the container, but the thing about this is it looks like it has an eyelash curler on the end here. and then down here is where your actual mascara is. I have yet to get into the backup one I have, so this may end up in a giveaway for you guys. By the way, my Patreons already know this, but if you are a Patreon, I'm starting to do Patreon only giveaways. So those giveaways are only for the Patreons, not for YouTube. So you might want to jump over there. Anyways, this actually retails for $25, and it creates a multitasking product that will save you time in your routine. First, all-in-one curler, and then lash enhancing mascara. So eventually I will get around to using one of them, and I will come back and let you guys know a little bit about it. If you guys have tried this, leave me a comment down below and definitely let your girl know. Okay, so the next item we got is by Murad. This is a treat type of acne control product. It's a rapid relief acne spot treatment. It reduces blemish sizes and redness within 4 hours. But we did receive this in here. It does reach over $22, so of course this will go to one of my teenagers. The next item, and again, I don't want to swatch this because this will end up in a giveaway. This is by Ciate Linden. This is a dewy stick product. It does retail for $26. It says, want a glow that looks like your skin but better? Try this glossy stick illuminator, and I'll show you guys what it does look like. But like I said, I'm not going to swatch it because it will go into a giveaway. But this is what the actual product looks like, and then when you pop it off. So I'm assuming it's one of those things that you can put your brush on, or you could just right on. I don't know, but I have a lot of these types of products, so I didn't want to be wasteful. I want to get. Last but not least, as far as the products go, this is by Gigi Gorgeous, and I don't know much about this person other than I think they are a creator here on YouTube. I could be wrong. I don't know. This is the 6 Sculpt Bronzer Duo. I like this packaging. I believe this is new to the market, this particular brand. This is what the back looks like. And I have to say, I really, really like the colors. Okay, wait, can we just pay attention to that real quick? How cool is that? Normally it's just plain plastic. I like that they went the extra mile, you know? Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. I feel like it's a really good contour shade, bronzer shade, and it feels nice. Oh yeah, I mean, I don't think my camera will pick it up, but it's definitely one that I think is gonna work with my skin tone. And like I said, you could use one side to contour, one side to bronze, so I will definitely be playing around with that and come back and let you guys know. Now, one thing that I thought was cool about this box, and I feel like this is the second month in a row that we've received this, but we got a little cheetah bag in here, which if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know your girl loves some animal print. So I love my cheetah, I love my zebra. So I thought this was really pretty, really cute. It's, you know, a nice little canvasy lined bag, zipper compartment. So I guess I'm assuming Ipsy's jumping back into actually giving us bags. I thought this was good. Retail value is $142 total of everything. I will tell you guys know I come back later and I do an Ipsy versus Boxy, so make sure to stay tuned for that, because I have some thoughts. So let me know down below if you guys get this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Let me know you guys' thoughts on it. Did you enjoy the bag? Did you think it was worth it? Like I said, it's $25 plus tax, and grand total of everything, $142. I have to say my favoriteest part, yes, I say favoriteest like a 2-year-old, was the add-ons. I have to say this Through My Eyes palette by ColourPop, I really, really like it. But I mean, who doesn't love ColourPop eyeshadow formula? Anyways, guys, don't forget to check my description box down below for a referral link. It's not an affiliate link or anything to Ipsy. If you are interested in picking up your own Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or your Ipsy, like the Glam Bag that's $12, they have multiple tiers. I just stick with the Glam Bag Plus and the smaller $12 version. Like I said, Haley and I will be coming back and doing the Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus edition, as well as the Ipsy versus Ipsy. If you guys are interested in becoming part of our Patreon family, definitely check my description box down below for that. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna hop off for now. I can hear the microwave going, the kids carrying on, all that fun stuff. So back to family time. Until next time, as always, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.